you see, the way we operate usually is that if it's a part-head matter, um, the other judge who listens to it and who retires and the new one coming would have to start de novo, because the reason is also sound. The reason for starting de novo, meaning starting all over, is also sound. It is because the previous judge had the opportunity of looking at the evidence that has been given, meaning those people, the witnesses who had come to court to testify, to say, oh, I was there when this thing happened. I was there when it did not happen. So and so person hit so and so person. So that in a way would give the judge the ample opportunity to form an impression as to whether or not this witness is telling the court the truth or is not telling the court the truth. However, in some cases where the evidence just has to do with documentary evidence, maybe only document, there's no need to call a witness. That's a different matter, you know. But in this case, witnesses have to come to court to give testimony, to give oral, testimony of what really happened. So it's better that the new judge who is coming, also has that opportunity to listen to them again, to form an opinion or form an impression on the testimony that they're giving in court. It is not like it is maybe in virtually all cases, but in this case, because cases are different, but usually when a matter gets to this stage and you have witnesses that have been called, the matter starts all over again. Perhaps, like has been suggested, this might be a good time to have a reform in that sector, to say, like Comfort, was suggesting and we're discussing, to say that even if a judge is going to retire, right, let us allow that, my lord, to finish the case before retiring. Let there be a provision to that effect. You can't just leave a case. Imagine people have given evidence, they spent money, they spent time, they spent resources, and you're saying we should go back again with this new judge. That would be precious time that have been wasted, precious effort, precious money. Even the witnesses, some of them maybe would have even, not be available anymore. So can we have a provision or a situation to say that the judge who is retiring or being transferred, let that judge finish these cases before effecting the retirement or effecting the transfer of those judicial officers?